GPM Environmental would like to present to you Admin and Admin HG. HG is a supercharged high-grade formula. It's a phosphate replacement, a scale and corrosion control for water department use. A clean, pure, safe drinking water is the key to our survival. This is a revolutionary, safe new technology, Admin and Admin HG. It's green, and there's no more need for harsh chemicals. It has a pH of 0.5 to 2 like hydrochloric acid, yet you can stir it with your finger. It doesn't harm a fathead minnow or a water flea at more than 800 parts per million. So safe, it can be used in drinking water up to 50 parts per million, yet only a 1 to 5 part per million dose will outperform all phosphates we have tested and compared to date. Admin plus Admin HG is NSF approved for drinking water. One of the main problems with phosphates today are some of the typical phosphate problems as shown below. Water pollution cascading from agricultural runoff, such as chemical fertilizer and manure runoff combining with your phosphorus or phosphates and your nitrates, creating algae blooms that create direct health effects and in some cases even death. It creates cyanotoxins, water treatment contaminants, a need for expensive water treatment, and as we all well know, an unpleasant taste and smell of tap water. All of our admin products, such as our standard admin and our admin HG, will not cause algae bloom, mold, or mildew. So you will not see these type of problems. We feel that all water treatment facilities from 2014 and all through the future should use Admin and Admin HG because of the wonderful effects it has on the environment, unlike those of other phosphates. With Admin and Admin HG, when water cascading from agricultural runoff mixes with chemical fertilizers and manure, combining with Admin or Admin HG in lieu of a phosphate will not have any of the ill effects as shown on the previous slide, but instead you will have these remarkable effects such as the removal or prevention of scale and corrosion in your pipes, which in some cases will lower the THMs, HA5s, iron and manganese, and you'll have less maintenance and increases in your pipe and filter life, your backwashing, you won't have to backwash as often, and you won't have to clean your filters as often. And with the removal of the biofilm as a byproduct of the use of admin product, you will have great tasting water and less ill side effects. Dallas, North Carolina has been one of our test trials and has shown very positive results in lowering THM, HA5, iron, and manganese in using as little as 1 part per million gallons of water. Now that's remarkable results. The advantages of using Admin or Admin HG over a phosphate is Admin HG and Admin are PO3s, where a phosphate is a PO4. When the phosphate runs off to streams, it creates blue-green algae, as shown on the previous slide, and is harmful to humans and animals and pollutes our streams. Unlike our products, where the runoff is short-lived and it kills the blue-green algae, and as shown, helps with the taste and corrosion and scale control in the water. One of the disadvantages of using a phosphate, it does not help with THMs or HA5. But admin and admin HG, with the right conditions, have lowered THMs and HA5s. The phosphate, it does not rid manganese or iron, but our admin and admin HG has proven in 1-year trials, such as that one in Dallas, North Carolina, to have lowered THMs, iron, and manganese, and again, with as little as 1 part per million. Admin HG, a new form of scale control. Note, there's the same amount of calcium or seashells that are dissolved in both of these solutions. Note the difference. The Admin HG new formula has minimal dropout and it stays in solution, which will carry it through the pipes without dropout, unlike the other formula that may have a tendency to bring it up into solution, but if it has to sit for a few days, may drop out and rescale your systems. The standard dosages in a standard water department will be 1 to 5 parts per million, and it will not eat away the calcium and lime buildup. It'll just prevent future buildup. So if you have older pipes and you're concerned, or a lead problem and you're concerned about it eating the calcium buildup away and causing a leaching of the pipe or maybe some leaks, this won't occur using just 1 to 5 parts per million. However, you can dissolve unwanted buildup using much higher dosages. So if you do have a clog line problem or you're needing to rid a large amount of scale, you might consider using up to 50 parts per million is allowable in drinking water to cut that scale buildup down. Now, if you have a completely almost closed situation, you may want to block off and use full strength, and which will eat away right away. This product is green, it's safe, it won't harm your pipes. If you've got copper, steel, stainless, PVC, polypipe, it will not harm your pipes. Unlike other acid formulas, they can drop out and rescale in your pipes. They can cause stopped up pipes or poor flow and high pressure breaks. And other acids can be poisonous, dangerous, and harm your pipes, your workers. And one of the great things about all of the admin products is the ease and the safety for the people working for you. Many of the water products in the water departments are very hazardous to the employees who are working with them. Why try Admin HG? It complements agriculture. It improves the water and the environment. It saves money because you will not have as many water-related problems with your pipes. You'll save money on your filters. You will save money on your backwashes. And you will save money on injuries to your people who work for you. Plus, it's the safest product known as an acid. This is why Admin HG, for pure, safe, clean drinking water.